Boosted Plus is a great choice for riders who want a smooth, damped ride on a variety of different road conditions. The ride feel of our new longboard decks is ultra damped, ultra smooth, and flexible. You get the same flex that Boosted is known for, but with a more refined, more controlled ride.
By designing and engineering our own decks, we've kept our trademark flexibility, but increased our stability and responsiveness while turning.
Utilizing high-end snowboard construction techniques, we designed it as a composite deck through and through, and we're able to achieve really amazing results because of that.
We have a poplar core for springiness and responsiveness, and foam inserts for weight reduction and damping. The high-performance foam on either side of the spine saves weight and makes the ride smoother and more damped.
We're really excited to be able to pair our new decks with custom wheels that are specifically designed for commuting.
We made these wheels as big as possible for a comfortable, smooth ride feel.
Our new trucks will be about twice as strong. We're adding more material in key areas to strengthen the trucks where they're under the most strain. We're building vehicles that are designed to go 1,500 miles plus a year for multiple years in a row.
Shadows are her cover until it's time to strike. The Sex Panther is on the hunt, baby. Reserve yours today. I promise you're going to enjoy it.
The M1 is the easiest to use and most intuitive electric skateboard ever created. This new emerging market, lightweight electric skates under 15 pounds, is a pretty exciting new frontier. It transforms your errands on a weekend or running to this corner store to pick up vegetables into an activity that you look forward to. You do all the exact same things that you do on a traditional longboard skateboard, except now you've got the power to go up a hill at 20 miles an hour. We've actually put a motor inside the wheel of a skateboard. This has allowed us to create a powered skateboard that feels smooth, intuitive, and makes the M1 amazingly easy to use, yet powerful. Instead of having a motor outside of the wheel that turns a belt, and then that belt turns a gear, and then that gear turns a wheel, everything's already been integrated inside the wheel itself. So one, it looks really clean, but two, because there's nothing that's binding the wheel up, once you hit your top speed, you just glide and you get that coast. The M1 is the first board on the market with swappable battery packs. And what this means is that you essentially have unlimited range. As soon as you start to run low on one battery, you can just swap out the old for the new. In keeping with Inboard's future-forward product design, we've integrated LED lights into the nose and the tail of the board. These hyper-bright LEDs not only increase visibility for the rider, but also allow the rider to be seen when skating busy city streets and intersections.
This is Kyle. He invented Onewheel to destroy boredom. Turns out, he wasn't alone.
It's magic!
Nope, it's science. We put a motor in the wheel, added lithium batteries, and programmed the board to balance for you. We've got Pint for cruisers, XR for shredders, but nothing for this guy. And oh yeah, we build them in the US of A. So get a Onewheel today and help destroy boredom forever.